The streets near Catania's Duomo are transformed into a loud and fast-paced market, now expanded from selling fish to about just everything. A great place to catch a glimpse of the Sicilian life. It instantly awakens all senses and the appetite. It is something that you cannot avoid. I was not hungry, but when I stepped here, my goodness, I just had to bite on something. A quick glimpse about Catania. So Catania is located off the tip of Italy's boot in the shadow of Mount Etna, and it's surrounded by the Mediterranean and Ionian seas. Catania is actually the second largest city in Sicily with about 300,000 residents only. Yeah, man, this is interesting. So, back in the day in 1669, Mount Etna erupted and flooded the town with lava, killing about 12,000 people. That is a sad truth about the city. So, in the streets of Catania, today I'm having some street food. I am so excited. And you know, we're in the fish market, so we're getting everything so fresh, grilled from right there. Yes, the tourist street. Oh, now, the hectic bustle of the famous market is a must-do attraction whilst in Catania, and one of the largest fish markets in Sicily. This is iconic, man. And as old as the city itself, it's a great way to experience the abundant fishing and seafood culture of Sicily with an atmosphere that's hardly changed in hundreds of years. Actually, every morning on Wednesdays and Saturdays, fresh fish and food of all kinds are sold here, actually from about 7:30 in the morning until 2 p.m. Though, I mean, some of the stalls begin to shut down before noon, but ideally some are still open after noon, right? The lively scene is especially chaotic on Saturday morning, so if you can avoid, but I mean, if you must, you can equally just go visit and see what's popping. Well, ideally, these colorful umbrellas protect the fish from the sun and shade the stall holders who carefully prepare this fish, yeah? At the same time, they periodically toss ice over their bounty to just keep the fish chilled and fresh. Wow, the freshness of the ingredients is the key to Sicily's delicious food, and the market was overflowing with all local seasonal produce such as meat, cheese, and so forth. My goodness, I could not get enough of the food here, man. So, branching off from the fish market square and close by the ancient buildings, I walked up a few steps where the market creeps into narrow streets in each direction. I could find some fruit vendors. Of course, I could not help myself but have some fruit juice right about here. Right here is the Piazza del Duomo, which is the main city square in Catania. This place is one of the most important part of the city, and it is considered as the main meeting point of the city by the locals. And for sure, I mean, this is the reason it has a vivid and energetic nightlife, thanks to the presence of its students and youths around the area. Guys, I must admit, this city is beautiful. The center is amazing, and guess what? I'm gonna have some gelato in this famous cafe. Wow, and of course, it's vegan, not vegan entirely, but it doesn't have eggs. So, with this weather, it's a must to have gelato.
Signorina, l'altro con quello che è Jessie del letto là nell'altro.
I'm about to indulge myself into the open air market. This is a great place to soak up some local atmosphere, even if you don't actually buy anything. I mean, you'll have to know where to find them, and because they're hidden as they are from the main street, actually, you have to find your way through them, yeah. Catania has a lot to discover, to be honest, and you cannot be sure to cover everything in a day. Having said that, I will ensure that I come back pretty much soon when it will be a little bit hotter. You guys know already that I'm an island girl and I enjoy hot weather conditions. It's time for me to wrap it up, but before I do that, I'd like to thank you all for sticking around and supporting your girl D. So until next time, keep it real and don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment, alright? Adios.